All right, today we have a product that I purchased myself. This was not sent by Insignia, but this is the Insignia Media Remote. You can see this for the Xbox Series X and S, as well as the Xbox One. So it works with your old Xbox One, your Xbox One X, your Xbox One S, and then the Xbox Series X and S. A little picture on the side. The side says great for movies and music, easy to use, 2 AAA batteries included. And then the back even shows your compatibility list here. So see Xbox One, Xbox One S, Xbox One X and S, Xbox One S All Digital Edition, as well as Xbox Series X and S. So infrared transmitters at the top, navigation button, provides one-touch quick access to your system, easily navigate your Xbox Series X and S or Xbox One menus, works with the X/S and Xbox One consoles, comfortable and easy to hold. Let's open it up, see what we're working with here. Slide this out. And that's it for the box. So we have a quick setup guide. So it tells you how to put in your batteries and what all of the buttons, of course, do. The media remote for Xbox Series X and S and One is designed to control your Blu-ray movies, apps, videos, and more. Setting up your media remote. So I originally thought this was like a universal type remote, but it seems that it's just to control your system without using your Xbox battery. And then here's the same thing, but in a different language. 2 included great cell alkaline batteries. And then here is the remote. Batteries go in the back here. And then your volume, mute, etc. all right there. I will say the buttons feel pretty nice thin remote, and essentially I think that will do it for this unboxing of the Insignia Media Remote. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.